Starting around September, BigBear AI's stock began to struggle getting past the $8 to $9 range. Soon after, it slumped down several dollars into a flat range. Coincidence? Nope. It's hibernation season, all natural. The big bear ain't going nowhere. It's just taking things easy like you in the winter months. So sit back, relax, and hear what the bear has been cooking up in the military, AI, security, infrastructure, and supply chains. It promises to be an irresistible dish the market can't ignore later in the year. First of all, the exciting action-packed stuff taking us straight to the military, where BigBear deployed what was described as advanced AI technologies for the U.S. Naval Forces Southern Command during the UNITAS 2025 maritime exercise, which involved about 8,000 personnel from 26 nations. Working with partner SMX, BigBear showcased AI tools for improving coordination, decision-making, and threat detection across unmanned and hybrid fleets, with its Arcus system providing computer vision, pattern analysis, and near real-time risk forecasting. While the demonstration of Conductor OS showed how AI can run at the edge in low connectivity environments, supporting maritime security missions such as counter-narcotics and anti-smuggling operations. To build on edge AI infrastructure for U.S. military and national security operations, BigBear began working with T-Second by combining BigBear's Conductor OS AI orchestration platform with T-Second's Brick Edge computing system. The joint solution is designed to allow artificial intelligence to be deployed at tactical locations where connectivity is limited or cloud access is unavailable. By enabling local data processing, storage, and AI inference, the platform aims to deliver faster situational awareness and earlier threat detection in contested or disconnected environments. T-Second's Brick platform integrates storage and AI computing in a compact system weighing under 15 pounds, making it suitable for deployment on the battlefield. Similarly, BigBear teamed up with C-Speed to integrate AI with advanced radar systems. That combined BigBear's Conductor OS AI orchestration platform with C-Speed's Lightwave radar system to enhance real-time threat detection and decision support for homeland security and defense missions. The integrated solution embeds AI directly at the sensor level, enabling faster detection timelines, fusion of data across multiple sensors, and autonomous switching between airborne, ground, and maritime threat modes. C-Speed's Lightwave radar systems are already deployed across U.S. Department of Homeland Security, Department of Defense, and allied international missions in both aerostat-based and tower-based configurations, supporting air and missile defense, as well as counter-unmanned aircraft operations. Then, since BigBear is technically still in hibernation season, it really had an AI appetite, leading to its $250 million acquisition of AskSage, a generative AI platform designed for secure deployment in defense, intelligence, and other highly regulated sectors. AskSage supports over 100,000 users across 16,000 government teams and numerous commercial organizations, offering generative AI workflows that meet strict security and compliance standards, giving BigBear a fast-growing, recurring revenue stream. The deal also expands BigBear's addressable market, supports cross-selling opportunities, and enhances its ability to deliver secure AI solutions with long-term growth potential. BigBear also ventured outside its usual American-oriented security neck of the woods when it signed a memorandum of understanding with Pahang Aerospace City Development, Berhad, PAC, and partners Easy Lease and Vigilix Technology Investment, LLC, at the Dubai Air Show to support the development of Malaysia's Pahang Aerospace City. The project aims to become a regional transit hub for air, land, and sea travel and establish Southeast Asia's first international spaceport, attracting domestic and foreign investment into Malaysia's aerospace sector. BigBear will provide AI solutions for border operations, security, and predictive analytics, leveraging its mission-ready AI and secure orchestration technologies. CEO Kevin McAleenan described the collaboration as creating a first-of-its-kind aviation, transit, and space ecosystem, and emphasize the company's role in integrating AI, data, and operational capabilities. PAC CEO Professor Adjunct M. Narazmi Abbas called the partnership a global innovation corridor connecting Pahang, the UAE, and the United States. The agreement positions BigBear for international expansion, particularly in Southeast Asia, while complementing its focus on defense, national security, and critical infrastructure. The partnership leverages the mobility solutions of EasyLease, fleet of 40,000-plus vehicles in the UAE, and the technology investment expertise of Vigilix, aiming to enhance innovation, security, and operational efficiency across the aerospace city ecosystem. Speaking of Dubai, BigBear opened its first Middle East office at the World Trade Center, Abu Dhabi. With all this globe-trotting, you'd think BigBear is familiar and comfortable in airports. And you would be right. In fact, BigBear expanded its biometric passenger processing footprint with deployments at Nashville International Airport and Chicago O'Hare International Airport, supporting U.S. Customs and Border Protection's Enhanced Passenger Processing (EPP) program. At Nashville, BigBear's Veriscan system allows U.S. citizens to clear customs without presenting a physical passport by capturing live facial images and matching them to existing records. Travelers are either automatically verified or referred to a CBP officer for additional screening, preserving security while improving efficiency. The Nashville deployment, operated in partnership with the Metropolitan Nashville Airport Authority and CBP, is designed to reduce wait times, ease congestion during peak travel periods, and enhance the passenger experience. At Chicago O'Hare, BigBear has also implemented Veriscan in collaboration with the Chicago Department of Aviation. According to CBP, the EPP program has reduced average processing times from roughly 60 seconds to about 10 seconds per traveler at participating airports, significantly improving traffic flow at one of the country's busiest international gateways. Then, for a breath of fresh air from security, BigBear will be working with Kraft Group to enhance supply chain visibility decision-making through AI analytics. The collaboration focuses on International Forest Products, LLC, a Kraft subsidiary and North America's largest physical trader of forest products commodities. So BigBear will be right at home assessing IFP's operations to identify areas where AI can improve performance, optimize processes, and support faster decisions. The partnership also includes a marketing component, with BigBear becoming an official sponsor of the New England Patriots, another Kraft Group business. Meaning BigBear might soon be joining in saying, "Do your job," or "We not me, hard work works," and "Process, progress, payoff," or whatever the Patriots say now. As we wait for them to get their wording together, remember, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.